Come on, Talia, march. March while singing. Come on.
Baby Boga.
Are you going to get some other instruments? Why don't you get the tambourine? Or can you get the cymbals out?
Me.
Or the tambourine? Are you going to go cut some vegetables?
Yeah.
What are you going to cut? Can you show me?
Show me.
What are you cutting? What is that?
Blood.
It's bread.
Melon.
What is that?
Melon.
Melon. What color is it?
The blue.
No, if it wasn't blue, what color is it?
Yellow.
No, it's not yellow. What color is it? What color?
Maca blue.
No, it's not the color blue. Can I have a bite? Can you give me a bite? These? Thank you. Say you're welcome.
Okay.
You want it back? Oh. I already got it to my mouth. Is it yummy?
Money.
What are you going to cut now?
Carrot.
A carrot? What color is the carrot?
A blue.
No, it's not blue. What color is it?
Blue. Red. Red.
It's close to red. The watermelon was red, but this is orange. You say orange, Talia?
Orange.
Do you like watching Talia?